Hey guys, so here I was in this trade. Went for shorts on the ES. Kind of aiming a little too much, but I was confident we'd go and touch those lows again. As you can see here, I had already moved my stops a little tighter after being in drawdown for a little bit, but the trade started to go my way. Here it was a little bit of a struggle on the 1 minute. I was a little worried that price would go back up and maybe tap me out, so I think I end up moving my stops to break even here. Yeah, now we just have to break and close below that zone. That was my only concern at this moment. It's a risk-free trade at this point. Saw a little bit of a rejection there, but price came through. There was a lot of bearish energy this afternoon. Yep, just started dropping. So the trade kind of skips ahead somewhere here in the middle. I didn't get to record that part, but let's just watch. You might see me move my TP to different areas. I was just thinking if I should go for more, depending on the volatility that I saw. I mean, the way I saw price coming down, I was pretty confident of stretching out my TP. Here I start to trail. And the rest is history. Alright, fuck it, let's get to it. Okay, so I took a trade this afternoon. Yeah, before market close, like around 1 or 2. Yeah, anyways, right here. Right now the market's over here. Duh. So let's go back in time a little bit. Let's go back here. Alright, so this is my trade look when it finished, right? So this is where we at. Off the bat, came in, marked up my areas. We got broke below this structure, or this support, right? We had came down from up here, right? As you can see, we had this double top. On the 1 hourly, looks something like this. Hope you guys can see that crap. Here, I'll make it bigger. Let's make it red. Alright, you guys see the structure, right? That's just a classic reversal pattern right there. Anyways, let's go down to the smaller time frames where it's where I took my trade. Actually, let me leave that there. Okay. So we came down on the smaller time frame. We had the support level, right? What did the price do? We broke nicely below it. And then what did it do? Classic. Retested it, right? Honestly, if any of you guys or whatever trader today got positions here, nice, good for you, outstanding. Anyways, me, I came a little late, so we tested back up here at 64.13 after breaking it, and we started rallying down, right? The structure became smaller here, right? Instead of these big ranges, we kind of just started a small little trend to the downside, right? As you can see here. Oops. Is that fine? Okay. So, here, another important zone. Right. After breaking down, right? Support, retest, rally down. What do? We break out, right? There's the 5-minute. To the left, pretty clean traffic. We did have this zone right here that might have caused us trouble, but still, pretty clean traffic, right? Now let's look at the 1 minute. My favorite time frame. You guys see this right here? It was with this candle that I took a trade. Put a limit order, stops above here. Now we did go a bit into drawdown, but I mean that's just part of it, right? Don't panic. Just trust your strategy, and then the rest is history. I mean, what can I say? Just absolutely rallied to the downside. Remember this zone that I marked up earlier, right? This previous support zone. We can see it over here too. Yeah, right here. Well, it did cause us a little bit of trouble, right? We started kind of rallying right here, and it was somewhere around here that I marked up this zone. My idea was that if price broke above here, then I'd be looking to exit. I mean, I already had my stops into break even anyways, but no, we rejected it pretty nicely. Price did what it wanted to. It was a bearish afternoon. 33 points on the ES, and it was a nice $1,500 profit. But this is the way I see it. Just basic support and resistance mixed in with structure, right? Just analyze the pattern. I mean, it's just a classic sell pattern right there. But again, it's not one thing, it's a confluence of things. It's different signals, right? Another thing was that we were both below the VMA and EMA, right? They were both crossing a bit, but still it was following the trend. And I was using heat map on another platform, but that's a talk for a different time. So yeah, this was the trade that I took today. Pretty simple, and that's how I like to trade. Just simple, time-tested ideas. They might go by different names now, but still,